Hey y'all, what's up with you? I hope you're doing wonderfully. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I feel incredible. I am on my 4th day of water fasting right now, and I feel really good. I feel so clear. My body's not digesting all this food. I've been breathing real deep. I've been doing lots of breathing exercises. My body's like in tune. So is my mind. My mind's really clear. I'm feeling good. You know, and so what I want to share with you today, if you just hang out for a little bit, I like to share something with you. What I'd like to share with you today is, it's not about, I just want to encourage you. It's going to be a short video. So hang out. It's going to be short. What I want to encourage you is to release what it is you do, right? Because life isn't about doing. Life isn't about doing stuff. It's not about what you do, right? Life isn't about what you have. It's not about what you have. When we focus on what we do, we give power away to actions. We say that's where the importance is. And when we focus on what we have, we give our power away to what we have, the things. We're human beings. The power, the importance should be placed, in my opinion, on what I'm being. How am I being? Am I being authentic? Am I being in alignment? Am I being trusting of God and the universe? Am I being loving towards myself? Am I being flowy and easy? Am I being sad? Because there's nothing wrong with sadness. There's nothing wrong if I feel sad today. Well, I'm going to authentically feel sad. It's about what I'm being. Because everything inside of me, all the emotions are happening for me. God has designed this life thing for us. Life is for us. It doesn't happen to us. None of this is happening to us. It's happening for us. And if it's happening for us, well, everything I'm experiencing is part of life. And so everything I'm experiencing is happening for me. And that's why whatever's happening inside of me, I'm just going to trust it and be with it. And from there, the state of being shall inspire my actions. Rather than trying to figure it out and plan it out in my head, disconnected from my beingness, rather than trying to go in my head and be logical and think about everything and disconnect from my state of being, I'm going to connect to my state of being and let that inform and inspire my actions and my words and my thoughts and my behaviors. I'm going to tap into the being first, and then the actions happen. And because my being is so in alignment and my actions are flowing, I'm not really too concerned about what I have, but the having just naturally happens because I've given it a source to spring out of with my state of being. And so, yeah, it's not about what we do, not about what we have. We don't have to place the emphasis there. Those things both matter. I do need to have money. I do need to have air, right? I don't need to make videos, but I do that. I focus on that. That's what I love to do. That's how I serve the world. But all those things are empty and not charged vibrationally if I don't start with my state of being. So that's why I'm fasting. That's why I'm meditating. That's why I'm being. I'm getting in alignment there. And now all this stuff, it just flows. So that's my invitation to you today, is to tap into your state of being and be you. Be you fully and authentically and beautifully, and do it with pizzazz, and do it with just you. Just be you and fill it out. and let that vibrate and let that vibration raise and rise and move faster and faster and faster. The more you be, the more you embrace your being, the faster that thing that you're embracing vibrates. And the faster it vibrates, the more potent and powerful your words and your actions and your ideas and your desires and your manifestations. That's all I got for you right now. As you can tell, I'm pretty cracked out right now. I'm pretty high. And I'm sober as a whip. I'm just running on infinite intelligence, baby. I'm just running on pure prana right now. 4 days of fasting. I got one more to go. I might even go 7 days. Breatharian life. All right, y'all. Much love.